implore, implore. Drudgery, drudgery. Interminable, interminable. Perceive, perceive. People want to get away from the drudgery of their everyday lives. I implore you not to leave me here. Interminable suffering. You can easily perceive what he wants. Throng, throng. Accost, accost. Reticent, reticent. Furtive, furtive. She was lost in the throng. She was accosted in the street by a complete stranger. Cyrus is a reticent person. He made 1 or 2 furtive phone calls. Felon, felon. Plethora, plethora. Hapless, hapless. Irate, irate. That felon tried to escape from the prison. The city faces a plethora of problems. The hapless passengers were stranded at the airport for 3 days. My delay had made him irate.